Welcome to the Windows Computer Technology channel. And question I get often that we talked about many months ago is about the update preview updates, which are the bug fixing updates in Windows 10. So of course this week we probably will have the ones for Windows 10 since this machine is in a release preview insider mode. I have already got it here as the update preview KB 505-3643. Which was installed on March 14th. Now, don't go looking for it if you're not an insider. This is not out yet. It should be out during the week, this week, maybe even tomorrow, Tuesday afternoon. But anyways, probably during the week anyways. So the question that a lot are asking is, there going to be a moment when these are going to stop? One thing for sure is that when we get to end of support in October, there will be no more preview updates. These are gone. These are bug fixes. There won't be any more bug fixes for Windows 10. Even with the extended paid support, you'll get security fixes only. Now, I expect, and most of us expect, that the update previews for bug fixes will stop before we reach October. So I wouldn't be surprised that June, July, sometime this summer, we'll see the last of the bug fixing updates, and they're all going to stick with just security updates after that until the end of support. And of course, the extended support only will have security updates. So that, will kind of slowly show the end of what Windows 10 is going to be about after 10 years. This is July 29th will be the 10th anniversary, which, if you guys remember, a lot of us were together waiting for this to happen way back in 2015. And in a time where, it was really exciting. In a time where things were cool, there were so many things happening. They were really, really tweaking Windows 10 with all sorts of interesting features we wanted to see. And actually, we'll have a little daily rant today that will be focused on how boring Windows and Microsoft have become over the last 10 years and even more. So this is going to be interesting. So yeah, there will be a stop of the bug fixing updates at some point before the end of support, actually in October. And, I've passed a couple of hours this morning in Windows 10. I don't use it much. It is, starting to feel a little nostalgia. I mean, when you look at Windows 10, how it is, and all the things that it brought over time and the changes, it is, at the end, one of those great operating systems that Microsoft did do. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.